So you're thinking of buying a replacement speedometer cluster and was wondering, will the miles be the same as your original cluster? Some of you guys are wondering about buying another speedometer cluster for your vehicle for whatever reason. My reason was couldn't read the mileage too well. This vehicle of mine has a little over 36,000 miles, so I got to use speedometer cluster. And the question is, does the miles, the original miles in the car, stay the same on this used cluster? Well, let's see. No, it says 160,247. So this cluster has 36,000 miles. I know because I just took it off. And this one has, well, you just saw it, 160. So people think that the mileage stays exactly the same in the computer box, the ECM, but that's not the case. Whatever the speedometer cluster has on the previous vehicle, that's what's going to go on the new vehicle that you put the cluster in. So there you have it, guys. Be aware.